So let's go ahead and get out our math books. You're going to open your math books to page 249. And we're going to go over a few things together on 249 and, well, basically just 249. So go ahead and let's look at section 2. So it says, name the type of triangle using the information given. So if you look back onto page 245, you will see angles and triangles. So a triangle is actually made up of 3 different angles. So if you look up there in the box at the red triangle on the top of page 245, you will see that the red triangle is made up from angle AC, angle CB, and angle BA. Those are the sides that make up the triangle. So triangles have 3 sides. Any triangle that has a straight line going up and down, straight line going across, or either way, just so that they're straight, if they have a little square in that little corner, that means that they are a right triangle. Any triangle, the angles when they're measured equal 180 degrees, no matter what kind of triangle it is. Whether it's a right triangle, an isosceles triangle, an equilateral triangle, no matter what the sides, when you measure the angles, those angles are going to measure up to 180 degrees. So on an isosceles triangle, it has 2 congruent sides. So if you look at the blue triangle, that is an isosceles triangle. Congruent means equal. So you see how those 2 sides are exactly the same. They are equal. That makes it an isosceles triangle. And then an equilateral triangle has 3 sides that are equal. So if all 3 sides are equal, it is an equilateral. No matter whether it's equilateral, whether it's just a regular triangle, whether it's a right triangle, an isosceles triangle, those triangles, the angles of them will equal 180 degrees. Okay, so let's look. This said it has a side of 6 centimeters, a side of 8 centimeters, and a side of 6 centimeters. So this is telling us that it has 2 sides that are congruent or equal. So what kind of triangle has 2 sides that are congruent or equal? Great, an isosceles triangle. The next one, I'm on 3, that was 3A. I'm sorry, I didn't tell y'all where I was going with that. 3B, we have angles of 60 degrees, 60 degrees, and 60 degrees. The angles are the same. That means all 3 sides would be the same. What kind of triangle would that be? An equilateral. Good job. On letter C, we have 2 of 3 angles are 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So what kind of angle would that be? 2 of 3 are 30 and 1 is 60. That would make it a right triangle. And then on letter D, the sides are 9 feet, 9 feet, and 9 feet. They're all the same. They are all congruent. That makes it an equilateral triangle. Letter E, the angles are 45 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. That makes it a right angle. Okay, it could also be an isosceles angle as well because the 45 and 45 are the same. All right, so go ahead and look at section 5 there on page 249. It says write the number of degrees in the third angle of the triangle, or the measures of the measures of the 2 angles are given. So if we have a triangle, and I'm in 5A, and it has a measurement of 60 degrees and 30 degrees. 60 plus 30 equals 90 degrees. And remember, the sum of the angles of any triangle is 180. So if we just take our 180 now and subtract that 90, the sum of that other angle is going to be 90 degrees. Then look at letter B. We have 42 degrees and we have 55 degrees. If we add those 2 angles together, 97 degrees, we subtract that from 180 because that's the total that it can be. This is what we have so far. That'll tell us the angle of the third triangle. So our third triangle would be 83 degrees. Everybody good? And the last one we have 84 degrees and 22 degrees. Those are two of the angles. We're going to add that together. We're going to subtract that from 180, the total of what angles of a triangle will equal, and that will give us the third angle. So the third angle would be 74 degrees, okay? So for the rest of y'all's math class today, you are going to be sure and follow the directions on your assignment post that has been sent to you this morning, and I believe everything else you guys will do just fine. On the back, section 6 on the back is a fun one. You're going to actually plot the points. Remember, when you plot, you go over first and then up. So you're like for letter A, you're going to plot 2, 6, and then you're going to plot 6, 6, and then 2, 10, and 2, 6. And then you are going to connect those dots, and then you're going to see what kind of shape that you have formed doing that. And then you'll write in the shape what kind of shape it is that you have just formed. Be a pretty fun assignment for you. I won't be able to check it or anything, but it should be fun for you anyways. All right, so that is it.